Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am doing hair. I am doing highlight retouch, and I think I'm going to tone down the blonde because she has way too much blonde. It's actually my mom. So I thought I would film some clips. I am doing it on my phone, so I might not get like the best angles, but I'm going to try. Yeah, so if you do like these videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into it. For her highlights, don't mind my disgusting nail table, but I am using the Matrix Light Master Lightening Powder, and I just have 2 scoops of that. And I'm going to use also this Light Master Freehand Additive, and this just makes it a little thicker so it doesn't like slip and slide around. And then I'm just going to use 30 volume for her regrowth. No, I think I'm going to use 20. Yeah, I think I'll use 20 volume.